Welcome to Lingala Institute. My name is Jonas Lusa. This video is a review of the song Emeraude by Fally Ipupa from the album Power Kosalika. This song is about a man called Nguesso. His wife is called Michelle Nguesso. They are real people. Nguesso feels like Michelle Nguesso loves him, honestly loves him. As a result, he decided to give her access to everything, including bank cards and the safe. Michelle, spend my money the way you want. Please subscribe. I will be reviewing the whole album from the whole every song from the album Power Kosalika. Thank you so much for watching.